environmental education a week ago, and there was a book being written on the barn owl, the owl that was afraid of the dark. So we saw this for that. Now, so this bird can pick up on sound waves. The feathers are so soft that the mouse does not pick up any sound in flight. And this bird, when it hits its prey, it has its eyes closed, again, all on sound. And I tested this theory in the sense that I put two buzzers in a field, a buzzer over there, a buzzer over there. I called the bird and I pressed the buzzer and it dropped onto what it thought was a mouse. Well, one day I wasn't paying attention, she flew across, dropped down, didn't set the buzzer off, she caught a little bowl, didn't she? So that's what she ran. She is around about 15 years old now. She's still got a little bit of down on her. Now what we do is, this is what we term an imprinted owl. An imprinted owl is taken at 10 days old and now reared in the house. I have a very understanding wife. 35 years in falconry, she's been in permanent decoration mould in the house with cloths over the armchairs and also on the floor. So again, it is the mouse inside the boat. Hello there, what's your name? Ava, you're going to stroke with one finger. There we go. Don't forget to make it. What's your name? There we go. Very well done. Very well done. So again, this bird lost its habitat because we've turned the sandstone barns into accommodation. We've also ripped hedgerows out and taken trees down and urbanised places, and this little bird is struggling to find accommodation. That's my phone going on, by the way. Okay. So, how's this bird going to survive? Because we keep taking its habitat away. This is where you come in, and how you can help these birds survive. And this is what we do sometimes. We put owl boxes up. You can go onto the internet, onto the RSTV site, and get the pattern to make a box. You can either make a box or buy a box. And what you can do, you can go to your local farmer and ask if you can put it on a tree. Make sure that the opening is facing south. If you've got property that's back onto fields, then what you can do is you can put it up on your shed, put it high enough that cats can't get near it, and you may have the privilege of seeing these beautiful birds flying around your area. And if you've got any rats or mice problems, they take around about anything from 500 to 1,000 head when they are breeding. So this is Plop the barn owl. Thank you for listening. Thank you.